Guys, Sam here from freaking awesome MTG. Look like I'm in my pajamas because I've been at the hospital all night. Reason being, I wasn't admitted. My wife was. She was very pregnant, and I now have my second boy, Jimmy Lee Racine. He was 8 pounds, 11 ounces, and 19 inches long. So my brain's kind of woo right now. Because of that, and two, I just found out one of my dogs had died. She was living at my mom's house. Because it was technically my parents' dog, but I claimed her. She died 2 weeks ago. My mom just told me today. But, besides that, how about some pack openings? 2 shadows over innistrad. Let's crack these suckers open. This is my first batch of magic I've opened since OGW. Where I'm living now, the closest shop, LGS, is gonna be like 2 hours away from me. So, let's see what we can pull. I couldn't resist anymore. Cards I'm actually looking for are not very many. Naturally, I want the Planeswalkers, but I want the Jace out of the set, and I want the Sorin, and Nahiri, especially Nahiri. Ooh, dual land. It's nice. It's called Foreboding Ruins. As Foreboding Ruins enters the battlefield, you may reveal a swamp or a mountain from your hand. If you don't, Foreboding Ruins enters the battlefield. Tap it to add a black or a red. Here's our flip card. No way! No way! Oh! And then we got a rare flip. Westvale Abbey. It's a land. Tap it to add 1 colorless. 5, pay 1 life. Put a white and black 1/1 human cleric creature onto the battlefield. 5. Tap it. Sacrifice 5 creatures. Transform it, and then untap it. Then it transforms into Ormheladon Profane Prince. He's a 9/7 legendary creature demon with flying, lifelink, and indestructible and haste. Oh, that makes me gorgeous. I'm already seeing something for me. Now let's see if we can pull another epic pull out of pack number 2. Hold on, I'm putting the phone down. Walmart here in Pratt has done me right. Alright. Just skim through the commons and uncommons. I'm not reading the uncommons right now. I'm actually kind of in a hurry. I gotta get me some food. Get me some more nicotine. And then, get back to the hospital where the wife's at. Oh, Sin Pro Potter. It's a 2 and a red. With Menace, it's a 3/2. Sorry. At the beginning of your upkeep, reveal the top card of your library. Any opponent may have you put that card into your graveyard. If a player does, Sin Potter Prodder deals damage to that player equal to the converted mana cost. Otherwise, put that card into your hand. It's not bad. Didn't get another rare flip, but Skin Invasion. It's an Insector. Oh, and a clue. So, that's been my life as of late. First couple packs of SOI. Westville Abbey. Can't complain. Well, I will talk to y'all later. Hopefully I get another man on the channel soon, so I'm not the only one uploading. Alright. I will holler at you later. Sam out!